Endeavour, and a special good morning to you today, Roberto.
Good morning, Shannon. The song obviously was in Italian, and I was talking about a guy that is missing his wife, and in this case, obviously, my thoughts are for my wife, Valeria, that is in Houston, and we look forward to have the private conference tomorrow morning. Thank you again.
The crew members inside the Quest airlock preparing for the second EVA extravehicular activity. The two crew members heading out the door are being assisted by Greg Chamitoff, you see in the black shirt there, and Shuttle Commander Mark Kelly. And as Mike Fink opens the hatch, the outer protective thermal cover, which is basically Velcroed to provide a thermal barrier between that small space in the hatch. The spacewalk marks the 157th in support of space station assembly and maintenance. This is the 5th spacewalk for Drew Feustel and the 7th for Mike Fink. The two astronauts are heading out to the work site. They're heading out to the port side of the station's truss structure to complete a task begun on EVA-1 2 days ago, essentially to reconnect a jumper and then flow about 5 pounds or so of ammonia, basically to recharge the ammonia system on the port solar alpha rotary joint side. Ammonia flows through a myriad of intricate systems on the port side of the station and on the right side, the starboard side, to cool all of the equipment and avionics that is operating on the International Space Station.
And Houston and Taz for cover 17. Go ahead. Because of the extra torque and everything, I've been doing a really good job counting turns. And at 9 turns, cover 17, bolt number 2, did not pop up. So I gave it one more turn, and on the 10th turn, I pulled it up, and it popped up and popped out. The good news is I caught it. I'm putting it in my trash bag. Good catch, Mike. Yeah, but wait to hear about 17. Yeah, yeah. Okay, Mike, you got a report for him. Go ahead. Okay. Bolt 17, or excuse me, cover 17, 3 bolts came undone. I have all 3 bolts with me. When they came undone, I did not see the locking washer on the back of them, or when they came undone, the locking washer that makes them captive did not float out with the rest of them. I looked very carefully during the process. You'll see it in the WVS.
The conversation that you're hearing is related to a washer that was supposed to be captive on one of the covers that Mike Fink has released from the port solar alpha rotary joint. So the discussion is for him to try to gently capture that washer.
If you hear from Mike Fink's helmet camera as he works on lubricating the top surface of the race ring. To do the bottom surface, they'll have to use a special grease gun with a J-shaped nozzle to get under the race ring. It's currently under cover 9, one of 4 covers that they removed so they can lubricate underneath.
Okay, stand by. The MOI will remain in the bag.
You hear of Drew Feustel and the special purpose dexterous manipulator arm that he's getting ready to work on. Close-up look at the work that Mission Specialist Drew Feustel is doing with Dexter's hand, adding some grease to the snares of the hand. It's 3 different pieces of wires that constrict into a very small circle to grab onto items that the hands are picking up.